what? I mean, but that was by choice, wasn't it? So you just said you. Okay, but why you didn't eat it? And there was food at the house that you could eat. So why didn't you eat before you went to right? None that you want to eat.
I'm not gonna let you drive it, so let me drive.
Not him. First of all, you was about to have me cuss. So Anthony, first of all, this is not the type of weather that you do that. You're smart and slide.
That just makes it home faster.
No, you can slide into a ditch or somewhere.
I can curve the car sliding.
What?
I can curve the car over sliding.
I'm good. I want to live.
Then let me drive.
No. I said I want to live.
But we'll be home. We'll either be home or we'll be home.
I ain't trying to go to Amsterdam right now. I want to go, but there's some more things I need to do down here first. Boy, bye. You tripping. He gonna run us right into the forest over there. You ever thinking taking you to go get your license and letting you use my car for school? Woo.
Hey, give me my drink.
Give me that shot. Yeah. And don't be asking people to hand me the handles up when I'm trying to drive. You lie every day. I do know. You got to pump the brakes. You can't just press the brakes. You pump the brakes. Maria Trisky, Bush. Huh? Say what? I don't think I started recording then. It'd be at passing school. That's when I started recording. What are you trying to take a picture? Huh? No, I'm recording all right. What is this person doing? Is that the stupid mailman? And they stuck. Let me go past first. They're stuck.
Quick, point and laugh.
Why would you do that? I ain't got time. You act like they don't have other mail carriers. Hopefully they have more seats. Did you get a good picture?
Wonderful.
You got it? So,
Even in the street light kind of looks like the moon in this case.
slow down. I just want to get to know you. You got this sun out here. Not right now. You know what? No, we'll do it tomorrow in the morning. But you need to move that shovel so I know when you.
No, we are not. We're doing this right now.
Okay,
I
well,
am
don't put a
not-
lot because it's gonna be snowing all night. So I need you don't use it. I just use a little.
I'm gonna use all
But can you move
of
that?
it.
Whatever. Can you move that shovel so I can go park? She can wait for me to go in. Bless me with your beauty. Oh, let me stop.